Hi, I'm Ed Husic, Australia's Minister for Industry and Science. Our near neighbours in the Pacific value science, just as we do here in Australia. And across the region, rising sea levels, cyclones, storm surges, and even droughts are making everyday life harder for many. And Pacific leaders have declared climate change to be the #1 threat to the security of their people, and they are right. Our government also recognises the threat climate change poses to the livelihoods and well-being to people from across the Pacific. That's why we want to bolster efforts in science and research within the region. The Australian government's proud, for example, to support the foundation of the Pacific Academy of Sciences. It's an effort to draw on the unique knowledge of both Pacific Island scientists and Indigenous communities. And the Academy is going to increase scholarly collaboration, amplify Pacific expertise and priorities that'll be really important in global discussions. It'll also amplify the Pacific's voice in the global effort to tackle global warming and protect people, communities and environments. And it'll also, I'd say, build on the rich history of science and research collaboration across the region, like the work of Monash Uni. They're doing work, for example, across the Pacific to tackle mosquito-borne diseases that tend to increase with climate change. I want to acknowledge the role of the International Science Council and its Asia-Pacific regional focal point in making the Pacific Academy of Sciences a reality. And the Australian government is really proud to be providing just over $10 million to the Australian Academy of Science to host the focal point until 2028. Well, the launch of the Pacific Academy of Sciences is a pretty big development. It's one that'll elevate Pacific scholarship and advance the wider region's interests. And on behalf of the Australian government, I just want to congratulate the newly elected Foundation Fellows. They'll have a historic opportunity to drive science priorities and science systems that are determined by and for Pacific Island countries. And we just want to wish the Academy every success in its future endeavours.